Hello, this is Alize from Board of Innovation. From our experience, we've noted that people had plenty of ideas on things to innovate, but rarely a strategy on how to innovate. That's why we've decided to create a tool called the Innovation Matrix. With such a tool, you'll be able to visualize initiatives and define the most relevant way for you to grow innovation within your organization. Join me in Paris for a very hands-on session where we'll be sharing cases, your story, and defining your own innovation strategy. À très bientôt à Paris and see you at Innovators.